Let's try another problem here. So we want to find the point, that's the bottom line, find the point P that is on this line segment somewhere that splits it in a ratio of 1 to 3. So again, remember, that's going to split it so that we have one part over here and 3 parts over here. That's our goal. So like we started in the previous problem, that's going to be together 4 total parts. 4 total parts. So if you remember, we start by looking at our horizontal distance and then looking at our vertical distance. And I see the vertical distance is 4 and the horizontal distance is 8. And if you remember, what we do next is we divide both of those numbers by the number of parts that we have. And in this case it was 4 total parts. So I divide both of those by 4, and on the bottom it's going to give me 2. So that's my horizontal kind of increment, and on the side it's 1 going up. So this tells me every time that I go over 2 and up 1, I'm splitting it into a part. And so now I'm going to do that. And I'm going to start down here with point A and go over 1 up 2, over 2 up 1, over 2 up 1, over 2 up 1, and you're going to have to forgive me, my point was off the grid here, so I had to improvise. Over 2 up 1. And so now it wanted in a ratio of 1 to 3 parts. Alright, so here's my 1, here's the other 3. So I'm going to choose that first point. And so that first point gives me, we're going to call that point P, and it's at -3, 4. Now if I said, just a quick scenario here, what if I said ratio of 3 to 1? If I said a ratio of 3 to 1, I would want to pick this point right here, because that would give us 3 on one side and 1 on the other. Alright, so just a heads up if that was switched.